So as I said, this is a homework question, and somebody asked me before the class. So, okay, guys, you are assigned to do it. Tell me what to do. Call it out, if you will. What should be the first step here? I'm sorry? Okay, I can pull out the constant. I'm talking about integration strategy here. Use the double angle identity. Very good. That's more like it. So sine squared is 1/2 1 minus cosine 2x dx. So in order to simplify further, we're going to have 11/2 integral of x times 1 minus cosine 2x dx. All right. What do we do next? I'm sorry? Distribute the x. You are full of wisdom this morning. Well, I'm not. So the integral of x x dx, sorry, minus the x cosine 2x dx. You know what? For the same price, we might as well distribute the integral itself. So we have two integrals now. The first one is very tough, I think. Maybe not. So we have 11/2, and the first one is x squared over 2. Last time I checked. But now what do we do with the second integral? Do tell. Integration by parts looks like. So we're going to say, you know what, this is the integration by parts. So let's write underneath the parts, okay? So integration by parts. So x will be my u, and cosine 2x dx will be my dv, like so. Okay? So let's see how we continue from here. So we have minus the integral, minus u times v. So u is x. What is v? If cosine 2x dx is dv, well, we need to integrate this thing. It will be 1/2 sine of 2x, right? But what about the sign? Do I need to change the sign or leave it? Because the derivative of the sign is positive cosine. So that's what we have. And now remember, comes negative the integral of v du, but we have negative up front, so this will be plus the integral of v du. Okay? I'm sorry, there is a multiplication here. No, I'm good. Sorry. I should have written it like so, sine of 2x over 2, because this will be my, this is my v. Okay? And this is my u, so let's keep it the way it's supposed to be. So this is u times v, and now we have the integral of v du. V is sine 2x over 2, and du is simply dx. And the rest, and then we close the brackets because everything is multiplied by 11 over 2. Well, let's not leave this u and v hanging like so. So we continue. So we have 11 over 2 x squared over 2, and here we have minus, I can write it now as 1/2 x sine 2x and the integral here will be negative because the integral of sine 2x, and then the integral of sine 2x dx will be negative 1/2 cosine 2x, but we have another half over there, so it will be minus 1/4, change the sign to negative cosine 2x, like so, plus c, and now let's bring it home, and we end up having 11 over 4 x squared minus 11 over 4 x sine x, sine of 2x, I'm sorry. Thank you. And then we have minus 11 over 8 cosine 2x plus c. Okay. So this was a manual job, and now we're going to move on and use tables.